Huntsman Corporation is an American multinational manufacturer and marketer of chemical products for consumers and industrial customers. Huntsman manufactures assorted polyurethanes, performance products, and pigments for customers like BMW, GE, Chevron, Procter Gamble, and Unilever. With headquarters in the Woodlands, Texas and executive offices in Salt Lake City, Utah, they operate more than 100 manufacturing and R&D facilities in over 30 countries and employ approximately 15,000 associates across 5 business divisions. Huntsman Corporation had 2014 revenues of over $12 billion. History: The Huntsman Corporation was initially founded as the Huntsman Container Corporation in 1970 by John Huntsman, Sr. It went public as the Huntsman Corporation on the New York Stock Exchange (HUN) in February 2005. Huntsman has grown through a series of acquisitions and today is a manufacturer and marketer of differentiated chemical products. Huntsman acquired the performance additives and titanium dioxide businesses of Rockwood Holdings, Incorporated on October 1, 2014. Huntsman paid approximately $1 billion in cash and assumed certain unfunded European pension liabilities. Business segments: Advanced Materials is a supplier of synthetic and formulated polymer systems. Its technologies are used in markets such as adhesives and inks, aerospace, automotive, coatings, construction, electronics, medical, marine, sports equipment and wind power generation. Polyurethanes manufactures MDI-based polyurethane solutions used in an extensive range of applications and market sectors, providing key benefits of energy efficiency, comfort and well-being. Insulation products conserve energy in housing and commercial properties, and play a critical role in the food supply chain. Keeping products at the right temperature in refrigerated vehicles, chiller cabinets and refrigerators. Polyurethanes also provide comfort and well-being in automotive seating, furniture, bedding and footwear. Adhesive products, coatings and elastomers are used extensively throughout consumer and industrial applications. Performance Products manufactures products worldwide and comprises 3 business groups: Performance Specialties, Performance Intermediates, and maleic anhydride and commercial licensing. Specialties products are used in a variety of consumer and industrial markets and applications. Huntsman is a producer of amines, carbonates and certain specialty surfactants and also produces linear alkyl benzene and ethanolamines used in detergent and consumer products applications. Intermediate products are used to manufacture shampoos and conditioners, shaving creams, fabric softeners and laundry detergents, as well as wrinkle-resistant clothing. Maleic anhydride is a highly versatile chemical intermediate and its largest single application is in the manufacturing of unsaturated polyester resins for use in the housing, automotive and marine industries. Pigments and Additives is a manufacturer of titanium dioxide pigments and additives used to add performance and color to items such as paints, inks, plastics and concrete to cosmetics, pharmaceuticals and food. Textile Effects creates, markets and manufactures a broad range of chemical and dye products. Failed takeover: In June 2007, it was announced that Huntsman had agreed to be acquired by Access Industries, owned by the billionaire Len Blavatnik, for $5.88 billion in cash. Huntsman shareholders would receive $25.25 a share from Access Industries' chemical unit, Basel Holdings, based in Hoofddorp, the Netherlands. Access would assume $3.7 billion of Huntsman debt. However, on July 12, 2007 the agreement was terminated as Huntsman agreed to be bought by Apollo Management for $6.51 billion or $28 a share. Huntsman filed a suit against Apollo Management and its 2 partners in Texas after the group backed out of the deal to purchase the chemical company. The suit alleged fraud against Apollo Management as Huntsman believed that the group never intended to allow its Heekshan Specialty Chemicals unit to buy Huntsman Corporation for $6.5 billion. Huntsman also claimed Apollo put forth a higher bid to prevent the Basel AF buyout as it would have threatened Heekshan's market share. Heekshan stated Huntsman's declining financial position as the reason the deal was terminated. Upon termination of the Heckscher merger agreement, the Huntsman stock value dropped by almost 50%. In December 2008, Apollo and Heckscher agreed to pay Huntsman $1 billion in return for Huntsman dropping all charges against them. A suit against the funding banks was settled in 2009 for $632 million in cash and $1.1 billion in loans to the Huntsman Corporation. References. External links, official website, official Chinese website, history.